Hi guys, I'm Jess and this is my golden retriever Hudson. We've been living out of the back of my 2017 Hyundai Tucson, camping, traveling, cooking, and exploring all over the US. If you love the outdoors and want to see our adventures roaming the country and discovering some really cool places, please like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and continue watching.
Good morning, Hudson Oliver!
We got to sleep until 8 o'clock today. Can you believe how awesome that was? He didn't even really try to get us up earlier. It was great. I don't really have any plans for today. I'm not going to go back into town until Saturday, so today's Thursday. We got today, tomorrow, and then Saturday I'll drive back into town because that's when his vet appointment is, and I'll do laundry and maybe a couple other things. But today, we're just going to hang out. We're off. We're going for a walk. Possibly we're gonna go find that trailhead. There's the boy. The boy. Let's go, buddy boy. Let's go, buddy boy. Let's go. Oh, I love you. I turned around, went back to camp because I want to put my sunscreen on. Don't need too much more sun. Okay. SPF 50. Alrighty. Now we're ready. Now we're ready to rock and roll and go on this walk. That's just like, yes, come on, Mom. Alright. Alright, let's roll. Back out of camp. Back on the road. Let's go walking. Now we're off again. All sunscreened up, babes. Yeah. So I think the trailhead is just up here at the top of this hill. We're gonna go check it out. This does indeed look to be a trailhead. Huh? Let's see what it says. Well, I got no idea where this leads, but let's see. First step is going through this little gate. All right, let's go see. Let's go explore. To get on this trail, it was about a 20-minute walk from where we're camping. So pretty neat that we've got this trailhead. It's called the Slavin Gulch Trail, and these are the Dragoon Mountains. Not the biggest mountains around, but still neat. Huh? This is pretty cool. Check out all the rock formations around us. We're still out here hiking on this trail. I think we're gonna have to turn around soon because I did not bring any water and it's kind of hot. Hudson's getting hot and he just climbed in a nasty little creek that's around here. So I think we're gonna have to turn around. Maybe we'll come back here later and I'll actually bring my backpack with some water so we can hike farther. Huh, buddy? Come here. Let's turn around. Yeah. Let's go back. It is a really neat trail though. I should have brought my backpack because I'm kind of hot and that's the thing with having a dog. They need more water, like more often than you would think. Like me, I'm fine. I would keep hiking this probably. But I don't want him like searching for nasty creek water like he is. So we're gonna go back to camp and get him some good water. Back off the trailhead, and I've got all trails going to track how far it is back to camp from that trailhead. I'm so hot. I think Huts is hot too. We're almost back at camp. We need some water. I think we walked at least 3 miles. Total, not one way, but I gotta check my all trails and see how far it was from the trailhead to here. On the trailhead, we walked 1.2 miles, so 0.6 one way, 0.6 back. So now I gotta figure out what this is one way, double it, and then add that to 1.2, and we'll see how long our route was. Let me free ya. Go get some water. I know you need it. Go ahead. He's like, thank you. Oh, you swerved a little bit. Get your water, buddy. There you go. We'll re-top you off too. Yes, you're a good boy. Hallelujah. I took my freaking hoodie off. It's hot out. We're hot. So I just looked at the all trails, and from the trailhead back to camp, it's 1.1 miles. So if we double that, that's 2.2. Add that to the 1.2, we got 3.3 miles. So we're a little bit hot. We walked, where's Hutsy? There he is. I think we walked a bit over an hour, maybe like an hour 10, hour 15 minutes. Yeah, so not too bad. Now we're gonna chill for a little bit, and probably we'll go on another one later. And I'll try and take my backpack and water so that we can actually go further. We're gonna have some more rigatoni for lunch / dinner. It's like 11:30 right now, but I'm pretty hungry, so I'm gonna cook, and Huts is gonna take a nap. Perfect. Final product. Got some sauce and basil in here. Gotta stir it all up. Oh yeah. Doesn't that look good? Now we get to enjoy the pasta. So simple, but so good. You're my baby. Currently getting some pre-rinse over here. Thank you, Hudson, for helping with dishes. Very helpful. I'm just taking in some sun right now. I had to take my hoodie back off. I was freaking hot. Sitting in the sun. But I'm getting my shoulders tanned up a little bit. And Hudson's just running around like a crazy golden boy. He's eating dinner. Hudson. Yes, it's a good dinner. Good boy. Okay, let's go for our nightly walk, Bobo. Okay, Bobo. Yes, come on. It is like 3:30 or 4 o'clock, and we're heading out. We're headed out for a stroll. We're not going back to the trailhead. We're just going strolling. Check out the moon up there. It's out early, but it sure is pretty. We decided to start exploring the wash. We've walked a bit of it so far. Huts is enjoying himself. It's a little cooler in the shade over here. A little cooler in the shade. Apparently some horses have been back here. It's nice though. Got the mountains, the sand. Yeah, it is nice, Huts. Let's head back towards camp. We are back at camp, and Huts is... You're enjoying yourself out there, huh? Huts, you got your toy? Bring him over. Oh, there's a good boy. There's a good boy. Ah! Oh, you're such a good puppy. You are being so quiet right now and just relaxed. Huh? You tired? It is 5:30. Oh, and you're a tired guy. You watching the bee? Yes. What a good boy. What a good boy you are. We'll go to bed soon, okay, buddy? Yeah, you can go to bed soon. Look at this absolute doll. You're freaking so cute. Oh, you're so tired. You're a baby. The sun's going down back there. You're just a little baby boy. It's 6 o'clock. All the windows are down. The sun is setting and Hudson and I are just climbing in. Whoops. Had a light on. Whoops.